Hey, what's going on? Okay, let me full screen. Full screen this. Sorry, I got an interference from messaging going on my phone. So basically, people were kind of curious about how my my air compressor generator would work after I described it a few times. Um, Basically, this is an oxygen tank. Although the other things that I was showing were examples of how my solar panels worked and how the compressor got energy from the solar panels. And I also used the wind farm to show how back in the day they used wind farms to conduct energy. And these are different methods to producing energy, although the method that I was using produced a little more energy at a really fast rate. So basically, this is an example of the oxygen tank. Oh, this is liquid oxygen, liquid nitrogen. Um, the size and scale that I was using was about the size, but it would be a little either more wider or standing up for the vacuuming to work, or you could could probably possibly be the same tank. Um, Basically, all of this air right here is compressed and it spins a little magnetic generator, and or it could spin a series of magnetic generators, turbine like generators, airflow, and or it could pump water, you know, up, and the airflow could compress the water. Hold on a second, making these little air pumps to pump the water and from like underground, through the sewage or whatever, and generate, spinning these generators, you know, constantly, or it could be many different types. Just go in there and spin like this big giant, screw like generator. There's many different types. Sorry, that was a little scribble. Sorry, can't erase. How do I get back because this thing's covering things up? There we go. It's a little sloppy, but I was trying to get the basic concept down of like how the solar panels will constantly charge the energy to be used for the air compressor. The air compressor is going to constantly vacuum, you know, vacuum air, and it's going to be compressed. And it's going to produce a lot of energy, a lot more energy than a wind farm, most likely because of the compression. Sorry, excuse me. Um, had a few, had a drink, I guess that was a little made me a little um beret. Anyways, so we have our solar panels here, and the energy, gosh darn it, and the energy from the solar panels will in the generator next to the solar panels that works with the solar panels produce energy for the compressor. The compressor works with the bigger generator, and the generator produces more energy than the solar panel. And it does it nonstop all day. It turns on and off, and their vacuum keeps vacuuming. So it could be like a series, series of air tanks, and then they can do it one by one, spinning the generator. And the solar panel will constantly, you know, keep, will keep, switching the current as it, or it could use all of them and make it even stronger compression. Um, but basically, so the energy being produced from the solar panels would be here, and the generator from the air compressor would be here, and it would just keep going at a constant rate because it would keep cycling through the air compressors being boosting the energy, and it would just keep traveling at this constant production of energy as air is being vacuumed in one compressor. Air already be full in this compressor, and already be full in this one. It would keep cycling, you know, and the generator would just never go off because it's also producing a lot of energy. producing tons of energy, and the solar panel is constantly maintaining, you know, the magnets and everything for everything to work sufficiently.